In this video, I'll show you how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone so you can easily mirror your screen to a TV, computer, or any external display. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on General. Then select AirPlay and Continuity. Now, AirPlay is Apple's version of screen mirroring. It allows your iPhone to wirelessly connect to compatible devices. From here, tap on Automatically AirPlay to TVs and choose either Ask or Automatic. If you select Ask, your iPhone will prompt you when a device is available. If you select Automatic, it will connect without asking, as long as the device is recognized. Once that's set, go back to the home screen and swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Now look for the icon with two overlapping rectangles. That's the screen mirroring button. Tap it, and a list of nearby devices will appear. If your TV or computer is compatible and connected to the same Wi-Fi network, it will show up here. Just tap on the device name and your iPhone screen will start mirroring instantly. And that's it. Super simple and really useful when you want to display your iPhone on a bigger screen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.